Welcome to another David Zimaleta. In today's video we will be removing and replacing this fuel return line. So it is a number 17 millimeter. So just got it loose. It wasn't very tight in my van. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually pull the bolt. Okay, so that is out. So now the hardest part. It is really easy to break these fuel lines. They're kind of stuck on there. Okay, surprised I didn't break any of those. Well, it's quite on there. But guys, this fuel line is plastic. These plastic fittings here, they break off very easy. As I said, Mercedes does sell metal ones. It's like $114. So now we're going to take these pliers, these things, number 17. I'm gonna go ahead and actually go to the another parts van. This one. First, what I want to do is I want to remove these locks here. I'm just gonna place them on the radiator. There is a good chance that you might yank on the line and it's just gonna break things clean off. So now I'm just gonna try to use my arms as leverage, try to lift it up. And when I don't do that, it's really easy to just bust things open. Wish me luck, guys. I hope I don't break this. Really don't have any more spares, to be honest. Wow, that one's giving me trouble. Just that way. This is also not a set of pliers that I like to use, but these have a much better grip. Man, I pulled it out. See guys, this bolt not very tight. You just lightly loose it, then you could spin it out. So not that big of a deal. This engine's got quite a bit less miles. It only has like, I think like 190. So same thing's happening with that clamp. So we're just gonna do a grab and do a twisty action here. Like that. And again, very stuck. I'm gonna have to dig it out of there. So we got our fuel line. The bad thing is it is plastic. The good thing is it's not broken. So now we're gonna work our way from the back towards the front as I install it. But first we're gonna replace this bolt. This is why I like to buy the metal one. I'm gonna see if I can find one, maybe like on eBay, that is metal as well, maybe for a better price. All right, this fuel return line installation is almost complete. We're just gonna install that. I need to work with this so carefully. Okay, so that is good. Now we gotta replace these pins. They're not hard to actually replace. It's just having to work with gloves. It's a lot harder to feel them. Guys, I know I really need better working conditions, and now that I'm taking on these type of projects, I'm gonna have to make a decision whether to build myself a shop here or buy one. Guys, return fuel line has been installed, or should I say has been replaced. I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, please hit a like, and please hit a like if you don't enjoy it. If you're here on my channel, you're watching this, you obviously, you know, have a Sprinter and would possibly do it yourself, guys. So just hit a like for respect that I'm attempting to share this stuff with you guys. After all, you know, this nobody's paying me to do this. As a matter of fact, not recording a video and not editing a video, I could do this job a lot quicker, because the installation portion probably be quicker than me editing this video. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Take care of yourself, and God bless you. Bye-bye. My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.